This tutorial review will show you how to fix Instagram keeps logging me out issue. Since Instagram added the business account feature to the settings, many businesses are eager to use it to boost their business. Instagram accounts are clearly important for individuals, so it is evident how important they can be. So fixing the randomly logging out of the Instagram account is very crucial, and to do so, here are some steps. Solution number 1. Clear Instagram cache files. In mobile devices, caches are small data files that speed up the performance of apps. Nevertheless, corrupt caches may cause performance issues with your apps. If you're experiencing an Instagram keeps logging out issue, try clearing the Instagram cache on your devices and then check the problem if fixed or not. If you're an iPhone user, then go to your settings app and tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, search here Instagram. Once you get it, tap on that, tap on offload app and reinstall the app from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 2. Restart your device. The Instagram issue may be caused by overloading your device, which could cause problems with the app system. However, suppose the random logging out of the Instagram account is caused by overloading your device. Restarting your device will help resolve the issue. Solution number 3. Update Instagram app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. And if you see any update available here, then update the app and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 4. Disable VPN. It's possible for Instagram to log out users who use VPNs while using their mobile devices. If you're having trouble logging out of Instagram, try disconnecting the VPN service on your device. And the last and final solution is uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. You can uninstall your Instagram app instead of updating it. You can fix this problem by updating Instagram on your smartphone and clearing its cache, which will fix Instagram issues. This is because many users are there who reported that the random logging out from the Instagram issue gets resolved just by reinstalling the app. So uninstall your Insta application, then reinstall it and log into your account, and hope it will fix the problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.